Welcome to SkillArc Technologies, where careers are built and futures unlocked. SkillArc is more than a learning platform. We are a career enablement ecosystem designed to equip students and early professionals with the skills of tomorrow: AI, data, cloud, and future tech. Our live classes are taught by industry experts working in top MNCs. We focus on hands-on learning, real-world projects, and mentorship that bridges the gap between classroom and workplace. And with personalized placement guidance, we help you step confidently into the professional world. From mastering future-ready skills to getting placement support, SkillArc empowers you to achieve your career goals. We don't just teach, we enable transformation, helping you unlock opportunities you never thought possible. SkillArc Technologies. Unlock your future with future skills. Your journey to success starts here.